Good day, viewers. You are welcome. Given that a plus b equals 8 and ab equals 8, we want to find the value of a and b that satisfy this. So what to do first here is we consider this as equation 1 and we consider this as equation 2. Then if a problem like this is given, we have to consider to make another equation. Suppose I take from equation 1, which is a plus b equals 8. Then by making a the subject of the relation, we have a equals 8 minus b. And we call this one equation 3. So this is an important step to take. Then we try to substitute this equation 3 into equation 2. As we have anywhere we see a in equation 2, we replace it with 8 minus b. So therefore we have 8 minus b into bracket of b, then equals 8. So having this, we have to expand this by opening the parentheses with b. But don't forget that this can also be written as b into bracket of 8 minus b. Then by taking this here, we have it as minus 8, everything equals 0. So just for easy expansion. So b multiplied by 8, that gives us 8b. Then b multiplied by b, that is minus b squared, minus 8 equals 0. So let's do the proper rearrangement. By rearranging this, we have minus b squared. So this comes, then we have plus 8b. And here is minus 8, everything equals 0. So we have to avoid starting this equation with negative. So what to do is we expand this, as in we multiply it with this negative, and then we have all multiplying by negative. So when minus multiplied by minus, we have b squared. Then minus multiplied by plus, that is minus 8b. So minus multiplied by minus, that is plus 8. Everything equals 0. So here is the quadratic equations. As we are going to apply completing the square method to solve this. So how are we going to apply that method? So here, which is the middle term called the sum, we have to divide this one by 2. Suppose I divide this one by 2, 8 divided by 2, so that gives us 4. So we have to take the square of this 4, which is going to give us 16. Then we add it and subtract it from this. So we have b squared minus 8b plus 16. And also we have plus 8 minus 16. Everything equals 0. This is what we get. Then the whole of this is given as b minus 4 all raised to power of 2. So when we try to expand this, we get the whole of this. Then 8 minus 16, that gives us minus 8. Then everything equals 0. So we take 8 to other side, as we have this as b minus 4 raised to power of 2 equals plus 8. Then the next thing here is we take the square root of both sides, as we have this as b minus 4 to the power of 2, then square root of 8 equals, when we take the square root of this side, we introduce plus or minus, then here is root 8. So for this, square and square root cancelled, as we have this as b minus 4 equals plus or minus. So if this 8 is a single sort, we are going to write the basic form of it as 2 root 2. So 2 root 2 is also the same thing as root 8. Then we take 4 to other side, as we have this as b equals, when 4 comes here, it becomes plus 4 plus or minus 2 root 2. So this is the value of b for this one. And we have to get the value of a by considering from equation 3, which says from equation 3, where we have it as A equals 8 minus B, and we know the value of B already. So by inputting it, we have A equals 8 minus open bracket 4 plus or minus 2 root 2. So we have to expand this with this negative, as this one remain 8. So when minus multiply this, we have it as minus 4. Then minus multiply by this plus, we have it as minus. Then minus multiply by this minus, we have it as plus. Then the whole of this is 2 root 2. Alright, so if this is A equals, so 8 minus 4, that gives us 4. Then minus plus 2 root 2. We have this for the value of A, and in general, we know that when the value of B is 4 plus 2 root 2, it means that the value of A will be 4 minus 2 root 2. So we have to write it as a coordinate, as we are going to have this as the first one. If the value of A, let me start with A. If A is 4 minus 2 root 2, definitely B will be 4 plus 2 root 2. And also, if the value of A is 4 plus 2 root 2, then B will be 4 minus 2 root 2. And this is how to go with this problem. This is how to solve it. I hope you learned something today. Thanks for watching. And if you are new here to this channel, you find this video interesting in one way or the other, please do well to like, share, and subscribe to our channel, and turn on the notification bell for more math content. I will see you in the next class. Never stop learning. Bye bye.